Hey guys, how's it going? Just got my new OEDRO under seat storage compartment. This is gonna go on a 2014 F150. This is the truck right there, as you can see. This compartment goes under the back seat of the truck. It's pretty much an extra compartment, that way you can organize stuff, whatever you guys have, tools, anything you guys like. It's a pretty nice compartment and it's very simple to install. So with the compartment, you get 2 brackets, 2 nuts, and 2 straps. If anything, the only tool here that you're going to need is going to be a ratchet and an 18mm socket. Plain and simple, guys. So let's go ahead and get this installed. We're going to install it on this truck. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So we're going to get the box. Put it under the seat, the back compartment, the back seat of the truck. This is how you're going to place it. Let me open the other door. There's some better light here. We're going to go ahead and get this installed then. Okay guys, so like I said, very easy to install. It's going to be the 2 brackets and the nuts. These nuts, I really don't think you guys are going to have to use them, but just in case you need to, in case you need to put other bolts in there or whatever, they're here just in case. Pretty much what you're going to use is just the straps and the brackets. So let me get my 18mm socket, give me one moment. So we're going to go ahead and remove the first bolt. It's going to be this bolt over here. It's just 2 bolts, guys. You'll remove this bolt right here. Might struggle a little bit, but pretty quick. You got electric tools that might be better, faster of course. Okay, so there it is, first bolt's out. So what you guys are gonna do, you're pretty much gonna get your strap. You're gonna pass it through one of the slots. It only has 2 slots, okay? Remember, 2 slots, 1 on each end. You're gonna pass the strap through the slot. You're gonna get the bracket, pass it through there. It's the other way around, like that. Get your strap, strap it in nice and tight. And this bracket is pretty much going to be bolted on to where you took off that bolt from on the corner, just like that. So you're going to bolt it back on. Nice and tight, okay? Once the bolt is fully tight on there, just get your strap, readjust it, make sure it's nice and tight. There it is, nice and tight. and then you move on to the next one. So the next one's over there on that corner over there. Let's get that one taken care of. Take off the other bolt. It might be a bit tight at the beginning. If they're loose, that should be pretty good. Alright, so the second bolt is out. Same procedure. You guys are going to get your strap. You're going to put it in with the compartment. And there goes your bracket. Snug your strap nice and tight. You can adjust it at the end. Get your bolt on the bracket. And get your 18mm socket. Tighten it down. Remember, you guys are going to want to tighten it nice and tight. Should be pretty snug. And in the end is when you guys can readjust your bracket to how you want it, nice and tight. You can either put these in a knot, or you can just slip them behind. Doesn't really matter, these aren't really going to show. And there it is. There's your storage compartment, plain and simple. You pretty much just tighten it down to the bolts that you have on here. In case you don't have those bolts, you gotta add extra bolts. These nuts are here for you guys to add. They're just extras. It's a pretty nice little compartment. You can put tools in here, you can put pretty much anything you can think of. So once it's done, you pretty much get your seats, drop them down, and there it is. Low pro. Nobody knows that you got anything down here. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. You guys stay safe, and thank you for watching.